CSIR, Indian Institute of Integrative Medicine, IIIM, Council of Scientific Industrial Research, CSIR, is India's primary national research and development organization, comprising of 38 state-of-the-art national laboratories, 39 outreach centers, 5 units supported by 4,600 scientists, and 8,000 technical personnel. CSIR's role in escalating scientific innovations and technologies are the crowning features for which the nation is fully indebted. India is extremely fortunate to have Himalayas, the greatest natural wonder of Earth, as it provides us with exceptional flora and fauna, providing abundance of life-supporting herbs, species, oils and minerals. IIIM, Indian Institute of Integrative Medicine, Jammu, is a premier institute of CSIR with prime focus of research on drug discovery from natural products including medicinal plants and microbial species, and enabled by biotechnology to develop technologies, drugs and products of high value for national and international markets. Plant-based anti-inflammatory, anti-arthritic drug from Boswellia serrata. The resin of Boswellia species is used as incense in religious and cultural ceremonies and in medicine since time immemorial. It is a moderate to large-sized branching tree that grows in dry, mountainous regions in India. It is also widely used in leading detergents and cosmetic industries. The extract of plant can reduce pain considerably and improve knee joint function. Microbial fermentation process for the production of DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, is traditionally obtained from fish oil, and it is an effective medication that slows blood clotting. Therefore, it is also known as antiplatelet drugs. It is a great source of omega-3 also. The fermentation technology of CSIR IIIM is the latest, and the facilities from lab scale to pilot production are well organized. CSIR IIIM is involved in various consultancy projects and is helping in technology transfer and training to various companies and institutions. Development of a new formulation, Resarine, with enhanced anti-tubercular activity. Resarine is the first anti-TB drug researched and developed in India. Resarine is the outcome of path-breaking research carried out jointly by CSIR Jammu and Cadila Pharmaceuticals Ahmedabad. It was developed with the objective of overcoming the limitation of conventional rifampicin. More than 90% patients treated with Resarine were cured of TB with lesser side effects, better safety profile and low cost. Liv1, new hepatoprotective drug developed from Vitex nugendo Lin. The plant Vitex nugendo is a herb with medical values and is used as female gondal hormone remedy all over the world because of its essential oil composition. It is used as liver tonic to overcome some liver problems associated with liver metabolism and believed to have hepatoprotective's capacity to extend. Aromatic oil. An oil is essential in the sense that it contains the essence of the plant's fragrance. It is generally extracted by distillation, often using steams. They are used in perfumes, cosmetics, flavoring foods, and household cleaning products. Lavender oil is extracted mostly from the flowers of lavender plant through steam distillation. The flowers of lavender are fragrant in nature and are used for making potpourri, along with aromatherapy oil, lotions and soaps. CSIR Jammu Kashmir Arogya Gram Yojana. Under this program, the CSIR IIIM provide quality planting material free of cost for half an acre of land. This program also trains and spread awareness to the farmers, growers and entrepreneurs for the cultivation and processing of medicinal and aromatic herbs. Dr. Harsh Vardhan, the Cabinet Minister of Science and Technology, visited the CSIR IIIM Jammu and inaugurated the state-of-the-art WHO CGMP plant for extraction, formulation, packaging of medicinal plant based on phytopharmaceutical drugs under internationally accepted GMP guideline. Technologies of CSIR IIIM Jammu are expected to provide enhanced opportunities in several sectors of Jammu and Kashmir for rural prosperity under the able leadership of Honorable Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan.